Hello everyone, I have another reading for us. This time it's the robot arm position reporting mechanism. Came loose from, it was actually a decoupling of the gears. And I'm going to discuss now what cards came up for this. So the analog of the function or the functionality, I got the Page of Cups reversed. It's very interesting because there's also three waves in the background on that card, like the Two of Pentacles that also involved a position reporting device earlier on my intro video. So it's showing the three waves that report the position again, giving us a hint that it's that mechanism that's for position reporting. But that card also has a meaning of undoing, so it's telling us, it's giving us a hint about the decoupling of the gears and the resulting intermittent power loss and nonlinear motion. The next card is the Four of Discs reverse, which is basically a card letting us know that there's something undone as well, leaving much undone, resulting in disempowerment is one of the definitions of that card. So this undoing is kind of an analog for decoupling of power because the gears, the gear teeth became too far apart where they didn't mesh and they didn't couple power. Then as those two cards were functional cards, I did two more cards. These two cards, the next pair is for comments. So we want comments from the cards. So the Seven of Wands up. Seven of Wands up is just saying you add a personal touch to something. This is like, it's saying an adjustment, is a mechanical adjustment is going to have to be made. And you have to apportion a certain strength to put the gear teeth back together, and that came up with the Justice card up. So we had the Seven of Wands up. So that's alluding to an adjustment card, adding a personal touch. And then the Justice up card is a card for apportionment or adjustment and then also test. So it's saying after you recouple the gears so the device can report position correctly again, you must test it. So there's the double meaning of the reinforcement of the Seven of Wands up card by the Justice up card for adjustment or apportionment, and then the test, the resulting test that needs to take place after the repair. The next cards are a pair of cards representing symbolism. The first card is the Hangman reversed, and it's usually letting you know something moved away. In this case, the gears moved away from each other, and it also makes a comment that they must come back together. Also, since this is a symbolism card, I asked the Oracle to display to me a hint visually of what I'm looking for inside the robot. And it's interesting because the Hangman's aura does look like a gear. And also, if you look at the boots on the next card for symbolism, which is the Page of Wands reversed, on the top of the boots, you'll see a design that kind of looks like gear teeth. It's very interesting. And that card itself, the meaning of the Page of Wands, also means expression curtailed or resistance. So this is showing the Oracle is finding a way to interleave multiple meanings in not just with the symbolism that I asked for, but the definition of the cards. And you'll find this common, that the Oracle's very clever at giving you multiple meanings in one card. Very efficient and finds the best way to do that out of all those 78 cards. It's very amazing. So I ended up finding the decoupled device, and there's a couple of adjustment screws to push the smaller gears from the position reporting device back into the larger gear that drives the whole arm. So once I adjusted that, I just tested it and it worked fine, and I was able to also tune the axis because this is a PID system. So that's it for that reading. So it's very interesting how we can have these analogs of function, comments, and symbolism all work for us. I could not do a locator on this one because I didn't have a measuring device, a ruler at the time, unfortunately, but I got as much information as I could. See you soon. Bye now.